Hi, my name is Drain Vikram Singh, and this is a submission for the Vibe Coding assessment. In this, I have built a TaskFlow task management application. In this video, I will walk you through the development of my project and deployment and the code walkthrough. I will start with showing the commits of my development. As you can see, firstly, I have planned uh, firstly I have planned by printing all the things which I will be needed or deciding the milestones in my uh, planning.md file. The This is a structure of my data schema which is showing one and many relationship, and then after the API routes showing the get, put, post, and delete CRUD operations and how it will be performed. And at last, I have also given the milestones of my applications, like of the project setup and the database, which all the milestones which are needed in my application. So after that, I will show you all the other commits which I have done in the application. Firstly, I have built a database schema and then the authentication, and then after applying all the CRUD operations, and then after designing my front end, fixing all the bugs of the in the required in my application. So after this, I will let us walk through my live demo of the application. So just firstly, I will sign in, and it will take time, and I can improve this application when I have time. So we are now in application. I will read some tasks like some grocery. I will the and I will decide the priority low, and then after date, select the date, and it will move. Okay, I think let me again build this. Press deciding the medium level, deciding the date, submitting this. So here you can see all the of my added uh, two of the added tasks. As you can, there's a duplicacy, so we can just delete this with the help of get delete API, and then after building one more uh, grocery of one more task which is related to work, setting it as a high priority, and then it will move to the to-do list. uh, eh, there is a Kanban board, so for that I will be designing one more, setting it done, and then this I will save it. As you can see, this is a Kanban board. The task will get already separated in a different columns according to the to do, in progress, or done column. And then after I will take you. This is so we can do a filter. We can apply a filter on my task as required. Like there are by if this like applying the filter of high, we will get the high priority task, and then if we are medium, we will get medium priority task, and then we can simply delete our task also. As you can see, it is also counting the date and other things. Now after the demo, I will walk you through my code. So here is a code. Firstly, I will show you how the database So as you can see, this is my database. In this, I am using SQLite 3, which is free, and we use for our lightweight application, and and for the easy deployment. You can see how I have this. I have set the different fields, assigning them a primary key or foreign keys, which help to relate the one and one and other task with each other. And then after I have built the middleware, in this I have used JWT JSON Web Token, in which encrypted uh, an encrypted token is given to the user login ID, and again when the user try to log in our application, it will just check the JSON token and will let the user use the application. And then I have built the different routes for my application, like get, put, post, delete, related to the task, and and post for all the adding the task, and for get to fetch the different type of task, and to delete and for the and the delete to uh, delete the task from the application. Uh, so after this, I will take you from to the front end part of my application. So here is my front end, and this is inside SRC. In the component folder, I have built a different component such as task, row, task card, task model. So we'll look through our task card. There are different type of tasks as we have designed, and task model apply. We have also designed a task model component showing the different type of tasks, and I have imported all the tasks into a one folder in app.jx. Here I imported all the use state, use effect, and I have assigned a new function to our use effect, so that after every effect, it does not get stuck into a refresh loop, and returning the state we require, returning a function after every refresh. After that, I will take you through the I have also built a test suitcase for my application to check whether it's not failing on the duplicate ID, or on a correct operation and related to the other operations. So you can I will simply and I will run npm test. As you can see, my application is passing all the 11 test cases which I have designed manually. This so that my application is now ready for the real world challenges or the real world uses. At last, I have made a different empty file showing how I have used how I have used the API yeah, how I have used the AI and different forms to build this application. I have just not used the AI, but I have also added my labor to where there's a need of manual checks, and for deployment of is done by my side, and I have decided all the test cases by my side, and ensuring all the things, fixing all the bugs after running the applications. The reflection shows how my journey is from fixing the bugs and using the different prompts to build this application, and how AI has influenced the development overall through all the journey while making this application. The key learnings which I have is the window terminals get automatically end after reaching the every test case. So I have fixed that also, and after that, so this is all overall journey of my application. Thank you for giving me this chance. Thank you for the review.